Hello, dear Zoom Auto family. Today, we've got something that's going to make muscle car fans go wild. The brand new 2025 Chevrolet Camaro SS 454. That's right. Chevy is bringing back the legendary 454 badge, and it's packing some serious heat. This isn't just another Camaro. This is a rebirth of pure American muscle. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because oh boy, Chevy didn't hold back. The new Camaro SS 454 is powered by a massive 7.4L, naturally aspirated V8, pumping out a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. No turbos, no hybrids, just pure, unfiltered V8 madness. And for the true gearheads, Chevy is offering a 6-speed manual transmission. But if you want lightning-fast shifts, there's also an updated 10-speed automatic. Either way, all that power is sent straight to the rear wheels, giving you that raw, old-school driving thrill. Performance? Insane. The Camaro SS 454 launches from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, with a top speed north of 190 mph. But this beast isn't just about going fast in a straight line. Thanks to an upgraded suspension, adaptive dampers, and a limited slip differential, it handles corners like a dream. And of course, massive Brembo brakes make sure you can stop as fast as you go. And just look at it. The 2025 Camaro SS 454 blends retro muscle with modern aggression. Inspired by the classic 70s Camaros, it has bold lines, a wide stance, and an aggressive front fascia. That hood scoop? It's not just for show. It feeds air straight into that hungry V8. At the rear, quad exhaust tips scream performance, while the LED taillights add a futuristic touch. This thing looks just as mean as it drives. Step inside, and it's a perfect mix of performance and comfort. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather and carbon fiber accents, and the digital gauge cluster gives you everything from G-forces to track times. The infotainment system, state-of-the-art, Chevy's latest MyLink interface, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system. But let's be real, the best soundtrack. That roaring 444 cubic inch V8. Chevy also loaded the SS 454 with advanced driver assist features, including launch control, performance traction management, and an optional track mode that fine-tunes every setting for maximum performance. Whether you're tearing up a drag strip, carving through canyon roads, or just cruising the highway, this Camaro is built to dominate. But here's the big question. Is this the final send-off for the Camaro? With EVs taking over, some rumors suggest this could be the last pure V8 Camaro ever. If that's true, the SS 454 is going out in a blaze of glory. A true muscle car legend, making one final thunderous roar before the world goes electric. And the price? Expected to start around $70,000, but with optional performance packages. That number could climb higher. And since Chevy is keeping production limited, if you want a piece of American muscle car history, this might be your last chance. What do you think, Zoom Auto family? Is this the ultimate Camaro, or should Chevy have done even more? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love cars as much as we do, smash that like button, subscribe to Zoom Auto, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest car content. Thank you for watching, dear Zoom Auto family. You guys are awesome, and I appreciate every single one of you. Stay fast, stay loud, and keep loving cars. See you in the next one. Take care.